In this video, we'll explore live production, a real-time display of production activity. We'll dive into its capabilities and show you how to add and modify the production schedule. From within HQ, navigate to live production by clicking the button in the top left corner. Here you will see all jobs that have been queued. Next to active jobs is a green button named Add. Press this to create a new production job. All existing work instructions will appear in the drop-down. You can type to search or input a new unit to be built without instructions. Press Continue once your unit is set. Select the work area for this order, and all compass stations will automatically appear. Select the station or stations to send the job. Lastly, input the job group number, work order number, and the quantity of units in the job and press Load Job at the top right of the screen. Now we have a job showing in live production. The system will become more intelligent as it is used, and it will begin to predict when an order will complete. If more than one job has been loaded to a station, you will see a green plus sign left of its name. Clicking this will expand the station's schedule. Pressing the green up or down arrows will shift the work order's position in the queue. Jobs that have a status of queued can be edited. Clicking on the row will open up the order details page. From here, everything can be edited, even which station the job is assigned to. If a queued job needs to be deleted, click on the row and select Delete Job. If the job has been accepted by the station, it can only be deleted from the compass station. Now let's spend a little time reviewing the station statuses, over on the right side of the screen. Queued indicates that a job has been assigned to a station, but has not yet been accepted. Setup indicates that the job has been accepted by the station and no longer can be edited. Active indicates everything is good and product is being made. Lastly, pause indicates that there is a problem and production has halted. If desired, you can create pause alerts, which will change the color from purple to orange once a station has been down for an extended period of time. Live production is one of the most popular applications within HQ. Customers utilize the predicted end times to anticipate when the next job needs to be delivered to a production station. Doing so reduces gaps in between orders and can result in 5 to 15% increases in capacity. Established customers will utilize Scout Systems APIs to integrate with their ERPs. This allows production orders to automatically appear in live production and then close them out in the ERP when completed. If this is something you are looking to do, we recommend reaching out to a representative.